What's up, guys? Come back with me. It's the Ramness here. It's been a while. I haven't seen you guys here because I was kind of busy for a computer science project, and I'm not going to share anything about motorcycle for this session. I'm so sorry for all of you guys who love motorcycle, but I promise, uh, later in this month I'm going to post a video about motorcycle again. And in this session, I'm just going to share what did I do for the latest project in the computer science. So it's just a security camera that is work perfectly good, and it might help you guys if you want to save a memory space, because as you guys know that security camera may take a lot of memory, and that's really not good. It's really time consuming to delete it and to choose to pick which one you should revise. And this program will work by detecting the object itself is a people. The security camera will work if there are people detected in the camera. So if there are no people detected in the camera, the security system will stop working automatically without any human intervention. That's really good because it can minimize costs. You can minimize the memory space as well. So without any further ado, let me show you how it works. As you guys can see on the screen here, we only use only three Python library, CVT, time, and dead time, and the code line is not long enough. And let me run it. Let's see how it works. And it might be take well because I haven't run it before. So when it ran, it's supposed to be recording, start record when the camera is really active. And when I get it off the frame, would be stop record me. But wait, why it's not working? Let's run it again and let's see how it works. Oh guys, let's see. It started recording, right? Like what I've told you, it starts recording when it's in the camera frame. And let's see when I get it off the frame, does it still all recording or not? Well, it stopped recording, so the program is perfectly working. So let me get back on the frame. It's supposed to be start record again. Yeah, start to record me again when I come back to the frame. So the program is work perfectly good for the security camera if this record is implementing for it. So you can minimize the cost for operational, because this program won't take a lot of memory for a security camera itself. I think I'm not going to explain you guys a lot about this program. Alright guys, that is the demo of 60 camera. And if you like this kind of video, don't forget to drop the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Well, see you guys next time.